My mother was recently diagnosed with early stage Alzheimer's disease, and my family, we are looking at different options and the best route to take to make legal decisions now so that my mother can be a part of the decision-making process. So my question is, what are the best steps to take at this stage?
Where they go from here depends on where how far the Alzheimer's has progressed. They should immediately have her given a standard capacity test. The capacity to do a will or a power of attorney is not a very high threshold test. People can have severe impairment of their mental facilities, yet still be considered to have sufficient capacity to do a will or to do a power of attorney. If she hasn't made powers of attorney, those are the first things that they need to make. Those are critical. If she hasn't finalized her will, that's the next thing that they should make sure she does. But again, there's always a concern. Once the diagnosis comes in, any document made after that time will be easily attacked. Now, that doesn't mean they'll be successful, but what that does is put the family on notice that they have to document this up extremely well.
So who would they go to have the competency test conducted by?
Preferably a geriatric specialist. There are doctors whose specialty is geriatrics, and I've only seen them in large urban areas. There's not, for example, there's not one in Brockville, for example.
What about here in Kingston?
I think there's one in Kingston who comes here on a rotating basis. It's a very high-end specialty, but it's becoming more common, obviously, because the demand is there. The curve of the baby boomers, the pig to the python, is now reaching the 60s.
So could your family doctor assess?
Well, again, let's be clear. Anybody can assess. I've done lots of assessments because there's a standard questionnaires that lawyers are often asked before they make wills of for the elderly or documents. But the real issue is what's the efficacy of the person making the statement that she has capacity. The more specialized, the more highly trained the individual making the assessment is, the more likelihood that the courts, if it came before the courts, would agree and allow the document to be declared valid.